Hi, I'm Sharon Abaud, immigration attorney in the area of Los Angeles, California. I want to give you all some good news today because apparently it's very often that people come into my office for the first time and they're just learning this. So I'm hoping that this is something new that I'm sharing with you as well. So this applies to people who are waiting right now for their visa to become current. So that means that maybe a brother or a sister or a husband, a resident husband, or a parent or petitioned for you, and you're still waiting in line to get your visa, for your visa to become current. If you plan on immigrating in the U.S., that means that you either entered legally, or you have a military family member, or you have 245I. If you have a way to immigrate here in the United States, then you might already qualify to be able to file your residency application before your visa is even current. So there's a separate visa table for that. So there's two dates that you should be aware of. One of them is going to give you your actual visa, and the other one allows you to start filing your paperwork before your visa is current. And why is that great news? Because when you file for residency, by virtue of having a pending I-485 application, you automatically qualify to have a work permit. And what does that work permit get you? It gets you a social security number. And with your social security number, you can start a life here. So it's really great news. Also, by the way, with a pending I-485, you can also qualify for a travel document. So that never fly without one if you don't have your residency yet. But yes, you would be able to. That's a separate topic. Anyway, let's pretend, to make this clear, let's pretend that I'm married to someone from Mexico and I'm a resident, okay? And I petitioned for him today, okay? So I would look under F2A because I'm a resident married at petitioning for my spouse. That puts me in the category F2A. And then I would look under Mexico, and you can see that, by the way, I put the link to this website for the bulletin below, so you can follow with this. So if you look under Mexico F2A, you can see they're at July 1st, 2016. If I file today, that means I have about 2 years, a little more than 2 years before I can have a visa. Now, this bulletin tends to run slower than faster, so just word to the wise, don't say, oh, in exactly 2 years I'll have my residency. Now, if you turn the page, you'll see that on under F2A Mexico, the date says, under dates for filing family-sponsored visa applications, my date is December 1st, 2017. If I file today, that means it's only about 8 or 9 months of wait time to file for residency. That's a lot sooner than over 2 years. So it's something to be mindful of. And if you're not aware of this and you're already waiting, run to the table and make sure and check to see your date, because maybe you already qualify for this. I hope that I gave you good news, and I hope that if I can give you good news, that you share this with someone and you give them good news. And if I can help you answer any questions, please feel free to message me, comment, email me, any way you like. I'd be happy to help. My name is Sharon Abaud. I'm an immigration attorney in the area of Los Angeles, California.